Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Jay Patel and I am a certified physician assistant here at MyFitMed. Here I cover multiple topics to improve your overall health and fitness, and the topics may include hormones, vitamins, weight loss, and overall lifestyle changes. The goal is not to treat you but to educate you to help you get in the best shape of your life. Enjoy the video. So today I'll talk about 5 things you should do while you are on the semaglutide therapy. So you may be taking a semaglutide, Ozempic or Wegovy for weight loss or for diabetes or for both. These are the things you should do to improve your overall symptoms and your results. The first is hydration. Make sure you are hydrated while you are on this therapy because the semaglutide has a side effect of heartburn and nausea. Improving your hydration will improve these symptoms. Also, you want to incorporate electrolyte in your routine to improve your overall hydration status and to make sure that you don't get dehydrated. Second is fiber intake. While you are on the semaglutide therapy, you want to increase the amount of fiber you eat because one of the side effects with semaglutide is constipation. Taking enough fiber will improve the symptoms of constipation. Taking enough fiber will also make you feel full for longer time and will prevent that insulin spike. This will give you a better result at the end. Third is increased protein intake. So I have discussed in the past that taking semaglutide may help you lose weight, but you also end up losing a lot of muscle. So while you are on this therapy, make sure you increase your protein intake to at least prevent the muscle loss while you are having a weight loss. The fourth is weightlifting. So because semaglutide causes muscle loss along with weight loss, you want to make sure that you do some type of strength training to improve your lean muscle mass and to keep your metabolism up. And the last is vitamin intake. While you are on this therapy, you are eating smaller portion and you are eating overall fewer calories. This prevents you from getting all the necessary vitamins that your body needs to function. So increasing your vitamin intake and taking a correct vitamin while you are on therapy will not only improve your overall health but also improve your fatigue and prevent you from feeling really tired when you are eating smaller portion and fewer calories. So like I said, semaglutide is an excellent medication for weight loss, but these are the things you should do while you are on therapy to improve your overall symptoms while you are on therapy and to achieve your goal that you are looking for. Thanks for watching. Hope you learned something about optimizing your overall health. Talk to your medical provider before starting any treatment. Let us know what other topics you want me to cover. Give us a thumbs up if you like the video and subscribe for more videos.